Now we'll see what is electrostatic potential difference. You can call it as potential difference also. So suppose we are having a source charge plus Q, and this is suppose its electric field. Now suppose we are having a unit positive charge at this point, and this point is A. Then the potential at this point is known as VA. Now suppose I want to shift this unit charge from this point to here. Suppose this is point B. Then potential at this point is known as VB. So whatever work I will be doing in shifting this charge particle from position A to position B is known as potential difference. Just see the definition. Work done by an external force in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another in an electric field is known as potential difference between those 2 points. The symbol of the potential difference is also V. How I'll write it? V. This is the potential difference between B and A point. That will be potential at B minus potential at A. Why like this? Potential at B will be higher. Just see, this point B is nearby to our source charge and this point is far away. So here the strength of the electric force will be higher. So here you have to do more work. Here the strength of electric field will be less. So in order to bring a point charge here from infinite distance, you have to do less work. And if you want to bring it here, then you have to do more work. So potential at this point will be higher. That's why I'm writing VB minus VA. And according to definition, what is this potential difference? It is the work done per unit charge. So work done in bringing the charge particle from A to B. So I'll write here in subscript work done in bringing the charge particle from A to B. Now from this, if I want to see the unit of potential difference, then what it will be? Just see, this is work. So unit of work is going to be joule and that of charge is going to be coulomb. So this is known as volt. So as we have seen earlier, the unit of potential was volt. Same way, the unit of potential difference is also volt. And from here, we can define 1 volt. Like, suppose if the work done in moving a unit charge particle from A to B in electric field is 1 joule, then the potential difference between these 2 points is known as 1 volt. What will be the dimensional formula of volt? It will be, you have already studied how to calculate dimensional formulas. So dimensional formula of volt is M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1.